Okay guys, so the overhead squat with resistance. Now there are two variations of this exercise included in the program. The mobility variation, in which it is performed with a weightless implement simply to ingrain the movement pattern and develop core stabilization whilst your shoulders are in that end range position. However, we're now going to progress onto the more advanced version, which is performing this exercise with weight. It is arguably one of the best exercises to be utilised for improving tension in the thoracic spine and around the shoulder joint. However, you do need a decent degree of mobility first to be able to perform it. So just bear that in mind, okay? So we're going to start with the bar on the back and assume a snatch grip position. So this is roughly between 1.5 and 2 times your shoulder width. We tend to go for power rings. Most barbells, particularly Olympic barbells, should have rings ingrained on them on the outside. You put anywhere between your ring finger and your index finger on that power ring, depending on the size of you as an individual. And then all you're going to do is dip down, as you can see in the video, and press the weight overhead, locking your elbows out completely so they need to remain fully extended, pushing them up towards the ceiling. From this position, I'm going to tilt my head downwards slightly, okay? This prevents any excessive involvement of the neck muscles in contributing to stability of the bar. So it forces your thoracic spine and the muscles around your shoulder blades to do the majority of the work. You want to position the barbell over the midline of your foot. From here, break at the hips ever so slightly, pushing your hips back slightly, and then squat down, taking your hips as low as you can possibly go. Your initial inclination will be to lift your heels off the ground as you're trying to keep your torso completely upright. However, you need to keep your heels down and reinforce proper squat mechanics. Keep your elbows fully extended, and as you squat down, you want to pull the bar back slightly just to keep it in line with the midline of your foot. From here, when you get into the lowest position you could possibly go, drive back up, keeping your weight through midfoot until you are fully extended back at the top of the squat position. Repeat for the desired number of reps, and again, need to stress the importance of keeping your elbows fully extended throughout the course of the rep.